Verma. I am 6 years old. I study in UKGB. In my family, we are 3 members. My father's name is Mr. Raman Verma. He is a software engineer. My mother's name is Mrs. Soita Verma. She is a homemaker. I am very sincere girl. My hobbies are reading storybooks and playing with my friends and pets. My favorite subject is English and drawing. I want to become a doctor. My favorite color is pink and love my family very much.